who I thought I was. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today protective style left me looking a little dusty. Okay, left me looking extra dusty. However, I'm gonna use some more clips because I'm trying to do a bun. I got somewhere to go and I look like this, and I can't, girl, what I'm going look like this? Where? Just where? Nowhere. You're absolutely right. Nowhere. We ain't going nowhere like this. Okay, so ooh. Honestly, all this is my fault. All this dryness and the thing, girl, just ugh. What do you have going on, sis? What is it that you have going on? Cause oh my goodness. Girl. Alright, so let's just get started, okay? I'm going to use my Wild Growth hair oil just to oil my scalp because man, my scalp is mad dry. Like I said, all this is my fault though. It's my fault. I can't even lie. I did this to myself, okay? Cause oh, I just didn't have a whole lot of things that brought moisture into my life under those clip-ins. So honey, girl, I don't want to be standing beside nobody smelling like, I don't know, foot cream or Vicks Vapor Rub or whatever. Child, I can't even do it. Y'all, don't be like me, okay? Because you ain't supposed to be combing this hair like this. And I'm not combing all the way through. It's more like picking or fluffing or whatever. But girl, ooh, I know better. I know better. Like, ma'am, who did you think you were? To take my Harabi Beauty Moisture Madness leave-in conditioner. I put y'all on game one time, okay? I put y'all on game already. I put you on game. So if you hadn't gone to get it, baby girl, that's on you, okay? Because I put you on game. Remember that. Moisture Madness leave-in, y'all, it gives me all my life, okay? So it really kind of reminds me of more of a styling cream instead of a leave-in, but I like it. Like, I really love this stuff. Girl, that oil and this gel, they don't match, okay? They don't match because a lot of times, like, Eco Styler has like all this stuff in it to kind of moisturize as well, and girl, they just don't mix. Like, girl, why I got so many flyaways? But it's okay. So I kind of went back and forth with myself, like, should I use my old clip-ins from when my hair was blonde? Girl, my hair ain't blonde no more. Or should I go and use these again? But I think I might use these again because, and now that my hair is not blonde anymore, I don't know what this gonna look like at all. Like, I haven't been blonde in it just a few months, okay? And it's just weird because I haven't been blonde in so long. Let me see. Let me see what she look like first. No, we ain't gonna do that. No, ma'am. So let's do these again. I haven't co-washed, combed, brushed, anything to this hair, so.
If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out, louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out, louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. We're beautiful. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are.